हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम निकी है और आप लोग देख रहे हैं इंटीरियर अवतार। आई एम बैक विद अनदर DIY वीडियो and today we are going to do a makeover of an old plastic chair. If you have an old chair which you are thinking of discarding, please do not, because I'm going to show you in this video how to refurbish your old furniture or any sort of chair that you have at your place. So without a further ado, let's get into the makeover process. This is the old plastic chair that was lying around my house and I'm going to do the makeover of this particular chair. So the first step, we'll start off with cleaning process. Clean the chair very thoroughly so that there are no remnants of dust particles. Next, I will start spray painting the chair with white spray paint. Don't worry if you see some sort of patchiness in the first coat. We'll go for the second coat and it will give that finished desired look. Make sure to cover every corner of the chair so that it doesn't look unfinished. So guys, this is how it looks after spray painting. I have used 2 bottles of white स्प्रे पेंट बिकॉज मैंने इस पे 2 कोट करा हुआ है. एंड नाउ लेट्स डू सम इजी प्रिंट्स ओवर दिस चेयर एंड सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी. enjoyed the video today, and if you did, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video in future, you do not miss that update. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.